If you watched my last video with the air conditioners running, you'll know that I mentioned that the Climatrol 8000 BTU air conditioner is a little underpowered for that upstairs area when it's really hot out. I had that thing running for quite a while and it was never really able to cool it down up there. So what I'm going to do is install this 10,000 BTU Kenmore in that room, along with the 10,000 BTU Fedders that I took out of the living room because it was vibrating too much. I'm going to install that one next to this one, just because I think that room, or that whole upstairs floor, really needs a 10,000 BTU unit running. And obviously I'm not going to run them both at the same time. It's just so I can, have a choice between which one I want to use. This one's all cleaned up and ready to go, so it'll work just fine. The heat load up there is just way too high for that Climatrol unit, especially if you start it up when it's already hot up there. It's just not going to be able to keep up. So this one's going in. It's very humid today, and it's pretty warm. It's supposed to get really hot this weekend. It's going to be, I think one day is going to be like 98 to 100 degrees. So we'll definitely be testing the units out then. Wake car dehumidifier is working just fine, and so is that Urgain dehumidifier at the other place. Both have been running non-stop lately, and it's pretty comfortable down here right now. Let's just run this real quick, just because why not? I think the compressor will start. Sure did. Very strong airflow. I'm going to have to stick something in this vent to keep it open because it likes to close by itself sometimes. So I'll have to fix that. I got the big heavy Kenmore installed up here. Climatrol is right there. Next I'm going to bring the Fedders up and put it over there. But I need to take a little break because this thing is super heavy. And I had to carry it up 2 flights of stairs. So, let's start this thing up. There's low speed. It's kind of a shame that the fans on these are kind of loud, but they work really well. Kenmore is working great, and I just got the Fedders installed. That one wasn't quite as heavy, and it's also not quite as big as this one, so it was easier to carry up here. I'm going to turn this one off now, and we'll start up the Fedders. Hopefully we don't get too much vibration. Oh, it's not bad at all, actually. Interesting. Wonder why it was vibrating so much downstairs. Yeah, that's nice and quiet now. You can see how big that Kenmore is. The Fedders has been running for a little while now. Still running nice and smooth. I'm going to turn it off and test that Kenmore out for a while now. Let's turn this one back on. One thing that's kind of weird is, this air conditioner, this Climatrol, was underpowered for this upstairs floor at this house. But the 7500 BTU Fedders at the other place works pretty well upstairs. So it's kind of weird. I mean, the other house is a brick house, and then this one is just wood siding. But I just find it kind of odd that an 8000 BTU would be underpowered up here, whereas a 7500 BTU works just fine at the other place on the upstairs floor. Kenmore is still running just fine. It is extremely humid today. I was outside mowing lawns before, and I was just dripping in sweat.